The world we live in is an intricate tapestry of human moments. But in order for all of this to work, there are many wondrous mechanisms at play. You won't believe how many of them are operated by CQM Group. In this power plant, our patented ATCS is using soft cleaning balls to optimize power generation, keeping heat exchanger and condenser tubes clean, and making sure the process is sustainable and effective. A heavy-duty SR reactor is disinfecting the water coming from the sea using advanced electrolysis. This SR is generating chlorine from the naturally occurring salts in the water, saving costs, manpower, and reducing risks to employees. A medium-sized SR reactor does the same in this factory. And a smaller one is installed in this workshop. All of these are using CQM Group's patented self-cleaning mechanism that keeps maintenance minimal, chemical-free, and removes the need for shutdowns. In hospitals and health centers, our SRLB system prevents the growth of Legionella bacteria, on top of savings in energy costs and consumption, providing safer water and peace of mind, fully compliant with the local health standards. In malls, you can find our ATCS, this time optimizing energy consumption of cooling units, just like it keeps cool at your residential complex. Incidentally, the water is disinfected by our SR reactors as well. For over 30 years, CQM Group optimizes energy processes, reduces carbon footprint, and contributes to a sustainable, circular economy, so you can rest easy and focus on those precious human moments.